guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today we're going to be filming a redecorating my room. I'm just going to be swapping out old decorations with new decorations, and I'm just going to be adding some more decorations. As you can see, a little sneak peek. But yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm gonna decorate this area first, but as you can see, I already did my window, and I put this really cute like lace curtain and these lights and vines to give it like a cute little vibe. I really like how this area turned out. I think like the lace curtain really just made it pop even more. So now we're gonna just decorate the chair to kind of have the same feel all around. And I'm gonna get these vines. Okay, I'm gonna get these vines and put them like wrap around here, and I think that would look really cute. Because how this side is longer than this side, because it kind of looks organic, even though it's fake. It's from Target. Oh wait, no, Shein. So over here we got new pillows, and look how cute these are. So I think I'm gonna go with this sunflower one. Look how cute it is, and I like the middle, and it's really nice. And we're just gonna place it right there. Not like that, but like cuter. That looks cute. I think the yellow goes because of the lights. Got that yellow tone. So we went to TJ Maxx and we got this cute little box, but we made it a little table area, and it has these cute little plants and then this basket that I need to cut the tag off because my swinging chair is getting out of control. Okay. Whoop. And then we put my side table that's usually in front of my couch over here to put more plants, because I'm loving plants right now and I'm really liking this area. And I like how the pink kind of like pops out and it helps this area go with like the rest of my room. So over here is my couch area, as you can see. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I got a new couch. In this area, I'm going to do some new wall art in like these places. I'm going to keep these because I still kind of think they fit the vibe a little bit. And I'm going to have new pillows. So let's get to it. So for wall art, we have these two super cute wall arts. The first one. So the wall art is from Shein, and then like the holdy things, the wood things, the poster holders are from Amazon. Wait, did I put it upside down? No, I did not. One right there. Make sure it's not crooked. That looks good. And then the other. That's crooked. That's why my cactus crooked. There. It's cute. So for the pillows, I'm going to do a combination of old pillows and new pillows. So these two are the new ones, and I think they should be front and center. But look how cute this rose one is. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. And then we have this one full of flowers and leaves of different colors. So I'm gonna put like that oldie. And then I'm gonna put this old one over here. Not too far over there. So here is the new pillow arrangement. Da, 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 da. Now we're gonna figure out where this blanket is gonna go. So I don't really want to put it in the back anymore. I kind of want to switch it up. So I actually kind of like it right there. I'm not gonna lie. But Maybe we should do like, I don't know, draping behind the pillow. Like, I'm just gonna put it right here, like in the back, a little waterfall of butter, nice, soft. I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right here because I think it looks cute. Next is this area, my piano area, and I'm going to be taking down most of these dream catchers. Shocking! Last one. So the wall is down and it looks so bare. So for my wall, we got a bunch of things. We got this letterboard, this Pinky Promise print, this mirror, and we got these 3 little G things to hold like vines. You'll see it's gonna look good. And we got vines, of course. Oh, we got all the
What was that?
I don't know. So we have all the decorations here ready to get put in place. So let's start. We're gonna start with this Pinky Promise. I really like this. It's so cute. Pinky Promise. So we're gonna place this one right here. Trying to get on the hook. Trying to hook it up. There, I got it. And then this letterboard I think goes so well with the vibe. Like, look at that. Already matches just right there.
It matches your shirt.
Twins. Is it crooked? Is it straight? Is it crooked?
It's straight.
Okay, thank you. And then the mirror, I love the look of this mirror. Like, and it has little hangies. And I can see myself. Hi, self. Oh, right here. Ah! Did I put it right? Yeah, I did. So we got the 3 main things done already, and it's already looking pretty. Fire!
You're so cringy.
And then we have the little
Geometric?
I gotta go back to school. Shape with the plant holders. So this one already has like little things you can hang stuff on. So I'm gonna just hang this pink one right here. Oh yeah, that's cute.
Looks good.
And I think this gray one should kind of be like a zigzag. Zig-zag. So this gray one could go right here. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, injuries! Injury!
That was the fakest ball I've ever seen.
This one has dog hair on it. Oh, there. Okay, good. That looks cute. Cute, right? Cute, cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Then, just to spice it up a little bit, I'm gonna do some dream catchers that I think match the vibe. I'm not gonna do a lot, but I'm just gonna do like this moon one. I got it from Justice. It's super cute. Broke my back. It's super cute. I'm just gonna put it in the corner to fill up space, some empty spaces. Like that moon. And I'm gonna do this one. It's like gold and pink. I'm doing it because it matches it in the pink. More pink to go with the shelves. This is what it looks like so far before we put in the vines. So now we gotta put the plants in. Like, Eh. So this first one, I'm just gonna stick it in. That's cute. I like the little hangy dangy. Maybe the next one, like.
It looks good.
And then this last one, we don't have another hanky one, so we're just gonna use some regular vines. But this one we can kind of make it however we want.
That looks cute.
This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love it. No random flowers. Yeah. It's beautiful. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to clean off the shelf. I'm going to redecorate my shelf. I got rid of all the clutter. So I'm really just going to do books, a picture, and plant. That's cute. Then and plant. It looks way less cluttery. So for the bottom, we're just going to do these. I got these from Target. The picture came separately sold. By the way. Here. It's so cute over here. I love it. Yeah. Can you hear me? So I got new flowers for my flower wall, but my camera is about to die. So we're just going to have to hurry up and kind of wrap this up. I'll kind of show you the aftermath, but I won't be able to show you putting it up. But for now, the flower wall still looks like this. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'm sorry that you guys couldn't see the updated flower wall, but if I will do a updated room tour if this video gets thumbs up. Like the video if you want an updated room tour, and you guys can see the updated flower wall there. Lots of updated words. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love you.